AI revolution is here and you need to be ready. What if I told you that you can run DeepSeek AI locally on your laptop? No cloud, no data leaks, no just pure AI power at your fingertips without compromising your privacy. So hi everyone, I'm Om Prakash. Welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you and teach you how you can download and install and run it locally. Run it DeepSeek locally on your system using CLI and or using GUI. So without any delay, let's start. So for that, first of all, you have to go to your browser and you have to search Olama. Olama download. You have to search. Then go to the first link. Move forward with first link and click download Olama on Windows. And here based upon your machine you can download either Mac. If you have Mac OS, means basically if you have Mac you can download Mac OS. If you have a Windows laptop and you are using Linux any distribution, you can install Linux. If you have Windows laptop, then you can download Windows. Here when you click download Windows, it will start downloading. Here you can see I have already downloaded it. Let me show you. Cancel, so I'm not going. Yeah, so after downloading Olama, now you have to visit, you have to give prompt to your browser, download DeepSeek R1 and then Olama. Okay. So now here, so basically in DeepSeek mode, DeepSeek is basically a reinforcement machine learning model, LLM. Means basically it's try to learn from reward and punishment. So there is no you can as such it is trained on this specific data. It is it thinks himself and predict output. If you give him reward, then it will generate the similar result next time. Okay, so if you have a very basic machine, then you have to download 1.5. Okay, and from here, as you can see, there is a command. You have to copy it, copy this command, and you have to go to your terminal and run it as a administration. Now the command that you have copied, now simply you have to paste it using Ctrl Shift and V. Now when you will copy it, if you have not installed it, then when it will when you click hit enter, then it will start downloading DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion parameter model. If you have already downloaded, then what will it do? Basically it's a start execution. Okay, so sometimes it takes time just because it takes resources. As you can see, I'm running multiple software. There can be there can be a reason to get slowed down. As you can see, it's using my GPU. My GPU is GTX 1650. So now let me show you. So first of all, I will ask him what is AI. Now as you can see, it started as I have also asked previously what is AI, and it's a generated output. It doesn't take any single second of time and started printing. Now you can also ask for your assignment question or whatever you have. So let's say I'm asking what is hashing. What is hashing in blockchain? And I'm so sorry, in cyber security. So as you can see, it is now trying to think just because I have not asked previously this question, so it will take some time and to think, and it will based upon his thinking, it will predict the output. Okay, so this was the basic model. If you want to if you have means if you have a best configuration, then you can download 7 billion parameter, 8 billion parameter and 14 billion parameter. There are actually multiple tabs, but on your local PC you can for best performance, if you have very high-end PC, then you can download a 32 billion parameter. If you have a normal PC, let's say you have i7, then you can download a 14 billion parameter model. That will be sufficient and very efficient for you, for your hardware, and run fastly, very smoothly. So now if you want to download 7 billion parameter, just you have to copy this command, okay, and you have you have to just put it down. So here as you can see, the thinking has been stopped, and here it has been generated the output. Hashing is the fundamental concept, blah, blah, and if you want to give any problem, it will solve that. Let me ask you, what is encapsulation? So yeah, as you can see, I've just asked in what is encaps. I have not provided the context in cyber security, in OOPS or whatever. So as you can see, in the thinking it has written or thought that all that. So I'm trying to understand that what encapsulation means in the concept in the context of cyber security. Now, if you want to stop it, you can simply press Ctrl C and it will stop, and you can generate. You can give another prompt and it will generate the output. Okay. So yeah, and if you want to completely stop it, then you have to just simply again press Ctrl C and it will be executed. Okay, or you can use Ctrl Z. So yeah, this was 1.5 billion parameter model. Now I'm display or preview how you can download 8 billion 7 billion parameters. So simply you have to write olama run DeepSeek -r1 and colon. Then you have to pass the parameter model parameter, just it. And after that, now this was a part of CLI. And I have also mentioned in the video that I'm going to teach you how you can run it using GUI. So for that I have developed two code using first one is using Gradio, another one is using Tkinter. So yeah, this one is for the Gradio. Okay, now let me execute. First of all, let me terminate some process because I have no such a high-end PC. So yeah, from here we will executing it. And you have to go to your local host with port number 7780. This here it is running, and let's wait for some minutes. Not minutes, actually for some times it will actually it's reactivating terminals. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so basically it's a live and okay, yeah. As you can see, this is the good looking terminal, very user friendly, user interactive UI in the this website has been designed keeping in the mind of UI UX, basically very interactive and with a great user experience. So let me pass ask what is data, okay? And I have asked the question of what is data. So here you can see it has generated the output. So basically you have created a model as similar to ChatGPT, and now when it have finished it, you can copy the output, whatever copy it has, whatever the output it has been generated. Now you can copy that. As you can see, I have copied the data and pasted in the chat. Okay. Now you can clear the chat. There are different options. You can also give a voice input. I can't use currently a voice input because my microphone is using by another software called OBS Studio for recording purpose. So check it and give me any if you have any suggestion or anything. Now if you this was the Gradio, And now you can also, yeah, there I forgot about to mention a feature. You can select between different model. I have installed three models: a 1.5 billion parameter model, 8 billion parameter model, 14 billion parameter. So based upon your need and your task complexity, you can change it. Okay. So yeah, this was using Gradio. Now let's move to the how we can run using Tinker. So there are multiple. First of all, to run Gradio, you have to install some library called some library of Python. First of all, you have to need install Gradio. Then subprocess you have to import threading, time, and speech recognition for taking voice input. Then Python translate engine for there is a feature I forgot about to mention, that you can speak the response, means basically whatever the response it has generated, model has been generated, you can read out those. So yeah, and after that I have imported paperclip. Paperclip is basically used for the copy and paste into your clipboard. Then we have installed Mist for text processing and Beautiful Soup for to create a beautiful and look and processing the markdown file to HTML file, so it's a look good and best for React and EX. Now I'm going to stop it and let's move to the DeepSeek. Yeah, so this is the Tinker, and this one is created using Tinker, Python Tinker. Okay, so here I have also imported same sub-process Tinker and a scroll text, top level message box, speech recognition, time, paperclip for all this. Now let's run it. And yeah, so as you can see, this is so basically this is on a local host. This one and Gradio both are on local host. Here, if what is data, not what is machine learning, and if I click on send, then as you can see, my prompt has been shared, and here you can see it started generating the output. Machine learning is a method of the data analysis that automates the building of models and enables system to learn from make prediction. So yeah, here from you can stop generating and chat a stop. You can pass another what is data science. So sometimes this is the model error just because it's developed from China, and as much you will run it, it is going to be good. So this is the model error. This is not our error. So sometimes it generates in another language. And here you can see also there is a button for indication whether your model is generating or idle. If I click on a stop, then you can see that now chatbot status is idle. And let me pass another question. What is the difference between process and thread? Now you can see it's basically generating yeah, and as you can see it's currently thinking, because this question I have not asked previously. So it will take some time and think about it, and then it will generate the output. And even you can read those.
Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines principles from computer science, mathematics, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge to extract insights and meaning from data. It involves tasks like collecting.
Here you can see this is generating the output and also reading the output. I can copy the output. I can clear the chat, I can regenerate the same response, and I can stop. There are multiple features. If you have any features or any suggestion, just put the comment. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.